Ladies and gentlemen, please take your seats. The show is about to begin.
Okay, this is what I'm going to call a quick lick. But what I wanted to show you is this construction site that I've gone to 3 or 4 times, probably 4 times at least, and had this stuff and this stuff. A bunch of all thread, which was a good get. Not a lot of it, but it is what it is. Let's see, these are big old hogs. I'm thinking this is gonna be brass, but it might be stainless. I don't have my drill out right now, but we'll find that out. But I got 3 of those. And then there's some junk in here, but I got a whole ton of these. And I think they're brass. I'm talking a bunch. Man, got some pipe too, which is fine. Oh man, it's greasy. Those are probably not brass. Probably just the sprinklers. Let's check a magnet, make sure. Oh no! They're not brass. I think these little pieces on top are, but that blows goats. Ah, shoot. I thought I had the score of a century. They're iron. Oh, you dirty pig. Well, poop. All excited. Well, sometimes you're the bug, sometimes you're the windshield. And with these things, I'm the bug. Okay, so I figured out how to get this thing out of here, and that's to heat it up with my torch. But watch what happens to this little thing, which must be the heat indicator to set this thing off. Because I did this on the first one and she went flying. I'm putting a piece of cardboard up so I don't get it in my face. Woo! There it goes. If you heat it up, and I could cut it off, but if you look at this, all the clean brass, that's all the stuff that was inside that I would be leaving behind. So you multiply that times however many pieces. This whole thing would be, ooh, and she's still hot. Okay, so I'm kind of on an assembly line right now. Figured out how to get these brass pieces out of here. Heat this up and make the adhesive all nice and juicy. That's that. Put this here to cool, and then what happens is you take this piece, and this is stainless steel. You can see how there's marks on it that I tested it. So you put this in a vise and you knock this through, and then you're going to end up with a solid piece of brass. And a little bit of stainless. So I got these, and I've got all of these to do. And no, I'm not going to show you all of them. I'm just going to do one more. Man, that whatever tape they use, some good stuff. I'll set that to the side for a second. And I'll show you how I'm going to do these real quick. Put this punch in here. Okay, there's your solid piece of copper right there. That's nice. So I'll turn this off. I'm going to crank through these and I'll be back. All right, last one. Nice and juicy. There we go. Oh yeah, that was easy. Alright, so I'm keeping all the pieces over here that got heated up. And I'm gonna let them cool down. So I got a question for y'all. For those that have scrapped, some of these threads have this tape on it. Will they take that as prepared, or do I have to get the tape off of there? Whatever they're gonna do, they're just gonna throw it in a big oven and burn it anyway, so I don't see what the big deal is. But if you know, let me know. Leave a comment in the comments section. And now I'm gonna bang on some of these. Separate the brass from the stainless. Big old chunk of brass. Love it. Stuff flying. Ugh. It's okay. Oh, sugar. Oh. Fly where you want to fly. Tell you what, some nice brass. There she goes. Up. Hold on. I want to find out how much we got here. How much brass. Tear it up. Let's say 3 pounds. $3.8 pounds, almost 4. Yep, I'll take it.